Now we're going to set up Node.js and install it in our server. So once again, the blog's in the description, and make sure we're logged into our droplet. Right now I'm logged into the root, but remember, just type in SSH username at and then your IP address, and then hit enter, and this will come up. So the first thing we want to do is install the latest LTS release of Node. So we're just going to copy this here, curl command, and insert that, shift insert. Do we have to change anything? No. The only thing you might want to change is right here where it says 14.x. Just grab the current version of Node that you want to have installed, then hit enter. That's just going to curl that into it. Now the next step is, so let's copy that in. Okay, let that populate. Then install the Node.js package. So click on here. Okay, then let's go to the next step. Execute this command. Check the version of Node that we have in our system. So we have our 14.20. Execute this command to verify that npm is installed. Let's check the version of npm. Then the next step, sudo apt install build essential. Insert that. Continue, yes. When something like this comes up, all you gotta really do is just close it. Just say, okay, we're gonna log back in. So just open up another terminal. SSH back in. Node-v. Okay, we're still all good. Alright, let's see into our home directory. So that's cd and then /. Alright, so if you hit ls and then enter, it'll show you all our directories. See this var? This is our main directory that we have to really be concerned with. That has our, as you can see, our welcome page. So where'd it go? So you can actually just copy from here or type it in, but just cd var www and then html. Actually, you know what? Let's just go into var for now. I'm going to ls and show you what's inside. So if you look inside the var, we have backups, lib. So the www we got to worry about. So let's cd into that. ls, and then you'll see there's this html. cd into html, ls, and you'll see that there is this index.nginx debian.html, and basically what that is this here welcome page. So we can just delete that by typing this in. So to delete it, let me make this wider. insert this. Oops. Did I not copy it? Shift insert. So as you can see, the command is rm dash capital R and then that index nginx daemon. You gotta have this R for directories that are not empty, otherwise it won't be able to delete it for you. That's just how things work in Git with Linux commands. These are actually Linux commands, so let's see. So now if you ls inside of HTML and hit enter, nothing comes up. So it shows that we had already deleted this. Because if you come here and if you refresh, hit 403 forbidden. So it's going to type in sudo git clone, and then you're going to clone your Node.js project or any type of project really. So we still have our nginx and Ubuntu installed, but we had deleted that welcome page. So now that we're inside this HTML, if you want to host your Node.js application, you're going to do like a sudo git clone. It's going to type in sudo git clone, and then you're going to clone your Node.js project or any type of project really. You could also use HTTP with FileZilla or any type of file transfer protocol that you prefer. So in the next video, we're going to install a Node application. We're going to set it up so that it runs on the localhost 5000, but also another thing we're going to install is PM2, which will make it so we don't have to use the 5000 host. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video.